Good afternoon, student. In this class, we are going to study Model 3 and Model 4 of population growth. Model 3 and Model 4. Model 3, look there, Model 3. It is not difficult. It is same as what we have studied in compound interest. Yes, to finding time. The time निकाल्ने है त्यसै हामीले उसमा पढे जस्तै in how many years means t is equal to what? Will the population of town 60,500 increase to by from 50,000? 50,000 बाट 60,000 increase भएपछि पहिलाको population के भयो त PO is equal to 50,000 थोरै होला पक्कै पनि and PT पछिको population greater than 60,500 at the rate of 10% yearly. R is equal to 10%. Then you have to find T. हमले interest में T निकाल्ने पड़ेगा है. Whatever given you have to use formula. Formula तो त्यही हो. PT is equal to what? PO 1 plus R upon 100 power T. What is PT? 60,500. Then PO is 50,000. 1 plus R, how much R? R means 10. 10 upon 100 to the power T. T is not given. Yes, T. Okay, this comes below this. 60,500 upon 50,000 is equal to 1 plus 10 is divided by 100, 0.1 square. Yes. Not square, this T. Okay, divide this. 60,500 is divided by this. 60,500 divided by 1 point. Okay, not only this. 60,500 is divided by 50,000. Sorry, 50,000. 1.21. यसलाई डिवाइड गर्दा 1.21 is equal to this and this plus 1.1 to the power t. I have already told है t निकाल्ने बेलामा यताको ब्रेकेट र यताको ब्रेकेट बराबर हुनुपर्छ. यता कति छ त 1.2 छ, यता 1.1 छ भने यता पनि 1.1. क्याल्कुलेटरमा 1.1 लाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा कति चोटी मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा यति हुन्छ त 1.1 into 1.1 र दुई चोटी मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा यति हुन्छ. भनेपछि 1.1 square is equal to 1.1 to the power t. 1.1 1.1 is cancelled. T is equal to 2x. हमले पहिला गरेको जस्तै क्वेशन हो यसमा. Then another D. इंट्रेस्ट मा गरेको जस्तै छ t निकाल्ने है. In how many years? D also. How many years means T is equal to what? Will the population of town be 20,000? Okay, 2,09,475 from 1,93,000. This PO. Previous population 1,90,000. And PT. After population 20,94,75. 5% per annum. R is equal to 5%. Then you have to find time. This formula, what may be? PT is equal to PO 1 plus R upon 100 to the power T. Yes. PT is given 209475. Then PO, what is PO? 190,000. Then 1 plus R is given 5 upon 100 to the power T. T is not given after, so T. This comes below this. 20,94,75 is divided by 190,000 is equal to 1 plus 5 is divided by 0.05 to the power t. Yes. Let's divide this. 20, 94, 75. 20, 94, 75 is divided by 190000. 1.1025. 1.1025 is equal to this and this plus 1.05 to the power t. ल मैले t निकाल्ने बेलामा के भनेछु, पछाडीको ब्रेकेटमा जे छ अगाडि पनि सेम त्यही हुनुपर्छ भनेको छु है। पछाडीको ब्रेकेटमा जे छ अगाडि पनि त्यही हुनुपर्छ। पछाडीको ब्रेकेटमा 1.05 छ भने 1.05 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा नि 1.05 लाई कतिचोटी मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा यति हुन्छ, क्याल्कुलेटर मल्टिप्लाई गर 1.05 into 1.05 टु चोटी मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा यति हुन्छ। त्यही भएर 1.051 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टु 1.051 t। दुवैतिर बराबर हुन्छ। 1.05 1.05 इज क्यान्सल, t इज इक्वल टु 2 years। We have already done this type of question finding t in interest as well है। इन्ट्रेस्टमा हामीले यसो t निकाल्ने क्वेशन पढिसकेका छौं। Okay, this question what I have done, D and L also same. L मा पनि यस्तै question छ, D and L same question, D and L. Okay, from this model I am doing this last question, then we will go to model 4. Yes. Question number I. In how many years t is equal to what? The population of village to be 2040 from 2000. It means previous population 2000 and later pt is equal to 2040. Growth rate r is equal to 2%. There is formula. What is the formula? pt is equal to po 1 plus r upon 100 to the power t. Then pt means what? 2040. And PO means 2000. 1 plus R is given 2 upon 100 to the power t. Yes, this comes below this. 2040 upon 2000 is equal to 1 plus 2 is divided by 100, 0.02 to the power t. Divide this 2040 divide by 2000, 1.02. Yes, is equal to this and this plus 1.02 to the power t. I have already told whatever there in bracket there should same छ हैन, सेम भए त के मल्टिप्लाई गर्दै गयो 1.02 to the power के भन्छ 1 is equal to 1.02 to the power t. 1.02 is cancelled, therefore t is equal to what? 1 year. In this way, in model 3 we have to find time. Yes, okay, time निकाल्ने हो। टाइम निकाल्ने क्वेशन हामीले के गरेका छौं। रिमेनिङ क्वेशन you have to do. Next we are going to another model, short question on last model, finding r from model 4. Yes, model 4, we are going to model 4. If you have copied this, then we are going to model 4. Now model 4 मा r निकाल्नु छ है। A number in 2076 BS and 2069, 67 and 69, which come before 67? Yes, in 2067 BS. 67 means what? Previous population PO, and in 2069 BS. 60 come later, so PT. How much? 40,000. There is 44,100. Find the annual population growth rate. R is equal to what? Okay, in this context, if year is given, then you have to find time. Time निकालिहाल्छौं। 67 र 69 भनेपछि t is equal to कति? 2 year. Beginning र ending भएपछि त 1 वर्ष बढ्छ। Beginning ending भएन भने डिफरेन्स घटाउने मात्रै हो। Okay, what is this formula? PT is equal to PO 1 plus R upon 100 to the power T. What is PT? PT is given 44100. PO is 40,000. Then 1 plus R is not given. R upon 100 to the power T means 2. This comes below this. 44100 upon 40,000. Then what? 1 plus R upon 101 square. Divide this. 44,100 is divided by 40,000. 1.1025. This 1.1025. Then what? 1 plus R upon 101 square. र टी निकाल्ने हामीले उसमा पनि पढेका थियौं, इन्ट्रेस्टमा पनि पढेका थियौं। आर के टी निकाल्दाखेरि ब्रेकेट इक्वल हुनुपर्छ भने आर निकाल्ने पावर, यहाँ पावर 2 छ भने यहाँ पनि पावर 2। यो कतिको पावर 2 हो? क्याल्कुलेटरमा हामीले के छ, यसलाई स्क्वायर रुट गर्ने है। यदि क्यूब छ भने क्याल्कुलेटरमा शिफ्ट दाबेर निकाल्ने सिकाएको छ मैले। यहाँ स्क्वायर भएकोले दिस शुड बी स्क्वायर। यो कतिको स्क्वायर? यसको रुट ओभर गर्ने क्याल्कुलेटरमा दिस मे बी 1.05 होल स्क्वायर is equal to 1 plus R upon 101 square. This square cancel. Then what? 1.05 plus 1 brings front side minus 1 is equal to R upon 100. R upon 100. Then what? This and this minus. 1.05 minus 1, 0.05 is equal to what? R upon 100. Cross multiply. R is equal to this and this multiply 5%. That's answer. R is equal to 5%. Okay, then do another question, question number D. The population of village increased from 10,000 to 11,000. Previous population PO is equal to 10,000. Then later PT is equal to 11,000. In 1 year, T is equal to 1 year. Yes, in 1 year. Find out the population increase rate. Population increasement means R is equal to what? Okay, R is equal to what? Then you have to use formula. What is formula? PT is equal to PO 1 plus R upon 100 to the power. Whatever asked, we have to use the same formula. Just so that the formula is PT. How much PT? 11,000. PO 10,000. 1 plus R is not given. R upon 100. Power T means 1. This comes below this as 11,000 upon 10,000 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100. Power 1 is not necessary. Yes. Okay. Divide this 1.1. 11,000 is divided with 10,000. 1.1. This plus 1 brings front side minus 1 is equal to R upon 100. This is divided 1.1 plus 1 comes in front side minus 1. This minus 0.1 is equal to R upon 100. This and this cross multiply. R is equal to 10%. This answer. Next, Go to question number H. Okay, from this model, I am doing this last question. In the beginning of 2000, okay, look there, beginning. In beginning of 2069 BS. Beginning means what? PO. What? And at the end. At the end of 2070 BS. This PT. Beginning population of 2069 and ending population of 2070 given what? 5,000 this, then 5,408. What is the annual population growth rate? R is equal to what? Then you have to find time. How much time? धेरै विद्यार्थीले इयरलाई डिफरेन्स घटाइन्छ. डिफरेन्स मात्रै होइन, यहाँ 69 र 70 भनेको 1 इयर को डिफरेन्स छ, तर बिगिनिङ र एन्डिङ भनेपछि 1 इयर हैन 2 इयर्स हुन्छ. अघि पनि सिकाएको थिएँ मैले 2 इयर्स. 1 इयर लेख्ने हैन, बिगिनिङ भनेर एन्डिङ भनेपछि 1 इयर जहिले पनि बढ्छ. PT is equal to PO 1 plus R upon 100 to the power T. Same formula. What is PT? PT is given 5408. Then PO 5000. 1 plus R. R is not given. R upon 100 to the power 2. This comes below this. 5408 upon 5000 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 whole square. 5408 divide 5000. 1.08 1.0816 is equal to 1 plus R upon 101 square. If there is square, there should be square. यहाँ square छ भने हामीले square गर्नु पर्यो, cube छ भने cube गर्नु पर्यो. यो square भएको यो कतिको square हो क्याल्कुलेटरमा निकाल्नु पर्यो. 1.0816 root over this, यसलाई root over गर्ने, यो 1.04 को हुन्छ है, 1.04. 1.04 whole square is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 whole square. This square cancel. Okay. Then what? 1.04 plus 1 comes front, minus 1 is equal to R upon 100. Minus this 1.04, then 1, 0.04 is equal to R upon 100. Cross multiply, R is equal to this and this multiply 4%. This answer. R is equal to 4%. Okay, all the model is solved with same formula. Population को formula is यो PT is equal to PO 1 plus R upon 100 to the power T. कहिले कहीं population घट्न सक्छ, त्यति बेला चाहिँ minus हुन सक्छ. Okay, in this way, in third question we have studied 4 model. In model 1 we have finding PT. In model 2 previous population PO. In model 3 we have find time, and model 4 R. Okay, generally this chapter asks in third question. Sometimes it can be asked, but in next class we'll discuss the long question of this chapter. Okay, thank you.